Good morning, Singapore Port. This is the cargo vessel MV Olpu. Do you read me loud and clear? Over.
Passenger vessel Olpo, North. This is Port Control Singapore. I read you loud and clear. Change your channel 1 to over.
Affirmative, sir. Changing to channel 1 to over.
What is your ETA to the pilot station?
My ETA is 1200 hours local time. Over.
What is your call sign, sir?
My call sign is Whiskey India Charlie Kilo. Over.
Last port of call and gross tonnage, sir.
My last port of call is Philippines and my gross tonnage is 1500. Over.
Do you carry dangerous goods? Over.
We did not carry dangerous goods. Over.
Okay, sir. Loud and clear. You must call with you past the Boyan November. Romeo 3 on channel 1, 2.
Affirmative, sir. We will call you after we pass the boy and November Romeo 3 on channel 1, 2. Over.
Okay, sir. Stand by on channel 1, 2. Over.
Yes, sir. We will stand by on channel 1, 2. Over.